Okay, so now it's perfect, it's showing horizontally. And the next thing would be, we need to increase the padding between the items. So for that there should be a property to set the padding between the items. Okay, padding. So set the padding property symmetrical horizontal for let's make it 12. Okay, so the actually the padding is not increasing between the items of the list, so it's only apply padding to the overall list, like padding in the start and the end of the list view. So we need to increase the padding at the between the items of the list. So for that we need to go to the list item, actually event item, which is an event item. We need to increase the padding horizontally by 12. Okay, and okay, so all is good. The list is showing according to our design. I think we need to increase some padding here, so I will make it 20. Okay, and I think it's too much padding on the left side, maybe. No, it's good. So next would be we need to put some padding here as well. So for that I will wrap this in upcoming. It's already wrapped in the container, so here I will put the padding vertically. I think a little bit more, so I will make it 16. Okay, so now it's good and showing perfectly according to our design. So this is it. So in this uh, video we have completed the upcoming event sections which showing the list items. I think I have skipped I have missed this thing, like we need to show the images. We need to change the images according to the details of the event. So going back here, and here what are the best things that we are seeing in here, like image and title and avatar images, and how many going, and the address here. So we need to make a model here. So I have already make a model before, so I will copy the format from here and paste it, and the name it as event model. event model in which we have image, title, and how many people are going, and okay, how many people are going, it's an integer. And there are three avatar here, so I will not play with it, just showing the basic information like image, title, how many are going, and the address. I will consider these fields only at this time. So it going, and the next is address. So I will make this thing required this dot going, and this dot address. So in the top of the home screen I will make another list. It's not picking up, so let's import it manually. So in that I will set the title, which is and image, which is in our case is coming from the assets. So in assets it's upcoming img1, going 20, and address is okay. So this is it. So now I will copy this further, and here I will change the image 3 and 4. We have 4 images here. So and also change the value of how much are going, so 14, 16, and 18, and also change the street address by 367, 8, and 9. So that's it. So now I need to show this information in the events list view. So here I will, in the items count, I will use list event list dot length, and here I will wrap this into the method, and okay, and return it, and event model is equal to index. So we got the event here, so we need to pass this event into the event item. So event model, and in the event model I will so I need to make it required, and the next would be we need to show this information in our card. So event mode, actually I need to make it event model, event model, and event model here, image, title would be gone here, and I will not currently getting or showing the images here. So here only showing the how many are going, and here would be the address. Okay, so too many changes, so let's save all the changes and inject into the Dart VM. Okay, so as you can see here, the information has been updated according to the list that we have provided. The last item I think is not showing uh, according to the what we are expecting. So let's see the size of the image that we are using here, which is 4. Actually, the size of this image is different from the other images. That's why it's not showing according to the design. So I will replace the fourth image with the first one to make our design consistent. We can also handle this thing on our coding side too, but currently I'm not adding that part in the scope of this video. Okay, so ing4, and now let's hot restart the app. Okay, so now let's check it again. Actually the image is not reflected here. This is because even though we have changed the image, but uh, Dart is still not picking up. Maybe it's considering that we have the same image that and there is no change in the image. So for that, to see these changes in the app, we need to stop the app and run it again. Okay, so app has been opened again, and as you can see here, the image that we have changed previously is now reflecting perfectly here. So this is it in this video. So in this video we have completed the upcoming upcoming events container here, according to the design that we have got here. So this is it. So see you in the next video. Till then, bye.